Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking your iPhone model and iOS version so the wallpaper scales correctly. This prevents cropping surprises later. Next, grab a high-resolution space image, preferably 4K, so stars remain sharp on all displays. Once done, open Photos, find that image, and tap the Share button. Choose Use as Wallpaper to enter placement mode. You do this now because placement and perspective adjustments are only available from within the wallpaper interface. So start here and don't jump steps. You now focus on framing and motion. Pinch to zoom and drag the image so the primary nebula or planet is centered and no important details are cut off. Small shifts change composition dramatically. Make sure to decide on perspective zoom, turn it off to keep stars steady, or enable it for subtle parallax when you tilt the phone. Once satisfied, tap Set and choose whether this becomes your lock screen, home screen, or both. This finalizes placement and preserves the exact crop you crafted. You finish by validating appearance and resolving common glitches. Check light and dark appearance behavior. iOS won't auto-change the image unless Smart Invert or a wallpaper effect is active, so make sure those are off if you want consistent looks. If the image shifts after setting, reopen the wallpaper editor and lock the zoom or recrop before applying. If the wallpaper fails to apply, restart Photos or the device and confirm iCloud Photos has finished syncing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.